Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and I am here today with a quick and easy recipe for no-bake Oreo pie. So you are going to need Oreos, of course. You're also going to need some Cool Whip. You're going to need some cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and an Oreo pie crust. Now you can also make your own Oreo crust if you want, but I already happen to have this on hand and I wanted to use it. So I'll make sure to link this recipe below, which will also include instructions for making your own Oreo pie crust. So if you want to see how this quick and easy pie comes together, stay tuned. So in my bowl, I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add my powdered sugar, and I'm just gonna mix this until it is nice and smooth. Okay, so I've got it all mixed up. Into this mixture, I'm going to add my Cool Whip, and I'm just gonna fold it in. All right, so I've got that all folded in. The last step is I have about 10 cookies that I've crushed in a Ziploc bag, and I'm just gonna fold this into that mixture. All right, and then you're just gonna take your pie crust and you're just gonna fill it up. All right, so I've got it all smoothed out here. Well, it's not perfect, but this is how I like my pie. So I'm gonna cover this up and I'm going to refrigerate it for about an hour, hour and a half. So I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. So here is the Oreo pie. I actually had it in my fridge for about 2 hours, and I cut it so you guys could see the inside. And here's a slice that I took out, and so I garnished it with some Ready Whip and a half of an Oreo cookie. And of course, I just did this to my individual slice. You can do this to the entire pie if you want to. You could just go around the pie and dot it with some Ready Whip and then add the half a cookie, or you could also add cookie crumbles if you'd like. But anyway, this is a really quick and delicious pie. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.